Welcome to this final module on Never Perfect, Always Genuine. So we've been taking a look at the control that has kept you feeling safe. And you have met the part of you who's quietly been longing to be more real, to be more genuine. So what we're going to do today is to bring that into your real life, because it's all very well being genuine in the quiet moments, but a lot harder to be doing it real time. And let's take a look at areas of your life, and let's start with work, because that's often a place where we feel the biggest pull towards control, needing to control and showing up perfectly. So here's what authenticity looks like at work. Speaking up even when your voice shakes. Asking for clarity instead of pretending you already know. Delegating without apology. Trusting others to grow too. Allowing good enough when excellence no longer serves your well-being. When your nervous system tells you to stay in control, try out this reframe. It's safe for me to contribute, not perform. Your worth isn't in the polish, it's in your presence. In relationships, authenticity means replacing emotional management with emotional honesty. It sounds like, I'm feeling overwhelmed. Can we slow down? I need space to think before I respond. I love you, but I can't fix this for you. It's learning to trust that love doesn't require caretaking. So when you notice yourself desiring or having the reflex to smooth things over, pause and ask, what am I afraid will happen if I don't hold it all together? The more you practice being seen, even imperfectly, the more the connection grows and the need for control can fall away. So let's take also a look at what authenticity looks like in your relationship with yourself. Letting rest be rest. Unproductive, unmeasured, sacred. Following what feels nourishing, not what sounds impressive. Letting silence or stillness be enough. Next time you have a free moment, can I invite you to resist the urge to fill it? Instead of thinking about what you should do, why don't you try feeling into your body and feel what it wants, what it needs, what would feel nourishing? I want to leave you with something really practical, something that you can come back to when life gets busy. And I can even invite you to make a ritual of it. Once a week, you can take 10 minutes to ask yourself some vital questions. Where am I trying to control instead of connect? What actually feels true for me right now? What's one small, genuine action I can take this week? You don't really need to overhaul your whole life. You don't need to make massive changes. You can just bring more of you into what's already there. As we close, never perfect, always genuine, I want you to remember that you have learned that safety doesn't come from control. It comes from presence, and that you don't have to strive for and manage your way to love and success. You can live from self-trust. So this isn't the end, it's the beginning of you allowing yourself to bring more of your genuine self into everything in your life. You can do this. Can I just salute your honesty and your courage on this journey? I would love to hear from you if this has been useful to you. If there's something you want to bring up, something that you're struggling with, you can always reach out. I'm looking forward to hearing from you.